Today I'm going to start 52 playing cards questions from chapter number 15 probability. कुछ बच्चे 52 playing cards में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है करके रिक्वेस्ट किए हैं, so I want to start one session for them based on these questions. And I'm going to start the 52 playing cards based questions. So have you seen 52 playing cards? Playing cards देखे हो कि नहीं? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you if you count the number of playing cards, you will find 26 cards are red. Okay, 26 cards are red, and 26 cards are black. So if you add these two, we'll get 52. So sometimes question will ask, what is the probability of red card? So the probability will be 26 upon 52. Okay, so if one card is drawn randomly from the pack of 52 playing cards, the total number of possible outcome is 52. क्योंकि जब हम लोग एक एक कार्ड निकालेंगे तो कितने बार निकाल के चेक करेंगे? 52 times. So what is the probability of getting black card?
26 by 50.
26 by 52.
By 50. Fine. Now there are two types of red card. One is heart cards, जो कि symbol का होता है. Okay, and total number of heart cards is 13, and second red card type is diamond card, जो कि इस symbol का होता है. Okay, और ये भी 13 होता है. Now question may ask, what is the probability of getting diamond card? So the answer will be 13 by 52. Okay, 1 by 4. Right. Now black card are also of two types. One is club card, जो इस symbol का होता है, and the another is spade card, जो ये वाला symbol है spade card का. Right. These two are red and these two are black. और ये भी 13 होता है. Okay. अभी हर एक हार्ट कार्ड में, हर एक हार्ट में, हर एक डायमंड को, इसको सूट भी बोलते हैं, राइट? दीज आर कॉल्ड सूट्स. रेड कार्ड सूट, ब्लैक कार्ड सूट्स. नाउ हर एक हार्ट कार्ड के टाइप में एक किंग होता है, एक क्वीन होता है, और एक जैक होता है, और एक एस होता है, और 2 से 10 तक कार्ड्स होते हैं. सो ऑल टुगेदर 13 कार्ड्स आर देयर. फिर से काउंट करते हैं. 1 किंग कार्ड, 1 क्वीन कार्ड, 1 जैक कार्ड एंड 1 एस कार्ड. 4 हो गया. एंड द नंबर कार्ड्स आर 2 to 10, that is 9 cards. So all together 13 cards. ये हार्ट में भी ये सारे टाइप के होते हैं और डायमंड में भी होते हैं. So if I will ask a question that what is the probability of getting queen of diamond? So diamond का queen कितना होगा? 1 होगा. So 1 by 52. Okay. So same ब्लैक कार्ड में भी होता है क्लब और स्पेड से. 1 किंग, 1 क्वीन, 1 जैक, 1 ace card, and 2 to 10 9 number cards. So all together 13 cards will be there in club and in spade also. So whether this classification is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us move towards one by one. 13 cards जो प्लेइंग कार्ड्स में होते हैं वो ये वाले हैं. देखो इसमें 3 कार्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिसमें फेसेस होते हैं, राइट, इन हार्ट कार्ड्स. एंड अल्फाबेट्स आर 4 अल्फाबेट्स. समटाइम्स क्वेश्चन में आस्क विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू अल्फाबेट्स आल्सो. एंड दीज आर नंबर कार्ड्स, 9 कार्ड्स. ओके, 1 K, 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, and 9 number cards. Okay, सेम हम लोग का डायमंड में भी होता है. 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, और 2 to 10 number cards. Okay, so all together 13 cards are there. So इसमें भी जो फेस वाले जो कार्ड्स हैं वो 3 होते हैं. Okay. So now let us move towards the club cards. Here also 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, and 2 to 10 9 number cards. Okay, 2 to 10 हार्ट में भी 9 नंबर कार्ड्स होते हैं, or 2 to 10 9 number cards are there in diamonds also, 2 to 10 9 number cards in club also, similarly in spade also. Okay, spade में भी ये king है, one king, one queen, one jack, one ace and 2 to 10 9 number cards, so altogether 13 cards. So this is the structure of all 52 playing cards. So if you see carefully, total number of cards in which faces are there is 12. दिख रहा है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
अब ध्यान से देखो, अगर हम लोग इस कार्ड में देखें, 2 के 4 कार्ड्स हैं, देखो ये चारों. हाउ मेनी स्पेड्स आर देयर इन 2? हाउ मेनी स्पेड्स आर देयर इन 2 नंबर?
So one.
ओनली 1. सो हर एक नंबर में एक ही सूट होता है, राइट? एक ही टाइप का कार्ड होता है. जैसे क्लब कार्ड 4 में एक ही है, और डायमंड कार्ड जैक में एक है. सिमिलरली नंबर एस में हार्ट एक है. सो whenever the specific question will ask that what is the probability of 8 of diamond, 8 of diamond, only one card is there out of 52, so our probability is 1 by 52. Okay, so whether 52 playing card structure is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so you please watch once again the recorded video, because 52 playing cards based question is very important for board exam. Now we'll move towards the playing 52. Out of 52 playing cards, how many face cards are there?
12.
12.
12.
Right, 12 face cards. So out of 12 face cards, 6 are red and 6 are black. Okay, 6 रेड फेस कार्ड्स में 3 जो है वो हार्ट कार्ड्स है और 3 जो डायमंड कार्ड्स है, एंड 6 ब्लैक फेस कार्ड्स में 3 क्लब कार्ड्स है और 3 स्पेड कार्ड्स, राइट? और 3 हार्ट कार्ड में एक किंग है, एक क्वीन है और एक जैक है, दिस वन. ओके, जे क्यू के. एंड 3 डायमंड कार्ड्स में भी एक J है और एक Q है और एक K है, right? So altogether these are 6 red face card. So if I will ask a question, what is the probability of getting red face card? So what is your answer?
6 per 52.
52.
Right, 6 by 52. ये 12 नहीं लेना है. 6 by 52, right? Now similarly club cards, in club cards also we have one jack, one queen and one king, and in spade also we have one jack, one queen and one king club card. Okay, so this is the structure of face cards. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards the question. So first question, first example, if one card is drawn at random from the well shuffled deck of 52 cards, find the probability that the card drawn is a king, a red 8, spade, red card, 6 of the club and face card. So let us start with the first step. What is the total number of cards?
52.
52.
So all the total number of possible is 52, right? Now we'll start with the first bit. How many kings are there?
4.
4. Very good. So there are 4 kings in all. So probability of getting king is 4 by 52. ठीक है? So एग्जाम में भी ऐसी शॉर्ट लिखना है, पूरा फुल फार्मूला के साथ में नहीं लिखना है, जैसे पिछले सेशन में केवल एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए था. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट नो नीड टू राइट द फार्मूला, दैट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी. So we'll write there are 4 kings in all. So P of drawing a king is 4 by 52. Further, if you simplify, what you will get?
1 by 30.
Right, 1 by 30. Now next, how many 8 cards are red?
2.
2.
one is heart and another is diamond. Okay, so there are 2 red 8s in all, so therefore what is the probability of getting red 8?
2 by
2 by 52.
Right, 2 by 52. And if you simplify,
1 by 26.
right, 1 by 26. Very good. Now the next one, how many spade cards are there?
13.
13. Right. So there are 13 cards of spades. So what is the probability of getting spade card?
13 by
13 by 52.
Right, 13 by 52. So if you simplify, what you will get?
1 by 4.
1 by
Right,
4.
1 by 4. So now the fourth bit is red card. How many red cards are there?
26.
26, right. There are 26 red cards. So what is the probability?
26 by 52.
Right, 26 by 52. Simplify.
1 by 2.
Very good, 1 by 2. Now the next one, 6 of club. 6 card, 6 number में कितने clubs होते हैं?
1.
Only one. Very good. So there is 1/6 of the club. So what is the probability?
1 by 52.
Right, 1 by 52. Now the last one, face cards. How many face cards are there?
12.
12.
12.
So there are 12 face cards. So what is the probability of getting face card?
12 by
12 by
52.
12 by 52. Simplify.
6 by 26.
Again, और simplify होगा.
3 by 30.
3 by
Yes,
30.
3 by
3 by
30.
30.
Okay. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
ओके अब इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा से एक और टाइप का क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं हम लोग. इफ वन कार्ड इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम ए वेल सफल्ड डेक ऑफ 52 कार्ड्स, फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ किंग ऑफ रेड सूट, क्वीन ऑफ ब्लैक सूट, a jack of heart and red face card. So let us start with the first step. What is the first step?
Total number of cards.
Okay, total number of cards also you can write, total number of possible outcomes also you can write. That is 52. Okay, so how many king of red suit?
2.
2. Okay, one is heart and another is diamond. So number of kings of red suit is 2. So what is the probability?
2 by
2 by
52.
2 by 52.
Right, 2 by 52. If you simplify, what you will get?
1 by 2.
1 by 26.
Right, 1 by 26. Good. Now queen of black suit. How many queen are black?
2.
2. One is club and another is spade. So number of queens of black suit is 2. So what is the probability?
2 by 52.
2 by 52. If you simplify, you will get the same answer. That is 1 by 26. Right. Now the last third bit, jack of hearts. How many jack are heart?
1.
1.
1. Right. So what is the probability? 1 by
1 by
1 by
52.
right, 1 by 52. Now let us move towards the fourth bit, red face cards. How many cards are red? Face cards are red.
6.
6.
6. Right. So red face cards are 2 kings, 2 queens and 2 jacks. So number of red face cards is equals to 6. ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं. This is not mandatory. Okay, for your explanation I wrote here. So what is the probability?
6 by 52.
6 by 52. That is 3 by 26. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
आप प्लेइंग कार्ड्स में ये सारे एलिमेंट्री इवेंट्स हैं, एक एक इवेंट्स हैं. अभी मान लो 2 इवेंट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन है. See carefully. A card of spades or an ace. Neither jack nor king. Either king or a queen. So this is the combination of 2 events. Okay. So let us start with the first step, that is total number of possible outcomes or total number of cards is equals to 52. Now, how many spade cards are there?
13.
13. How many ace are there? 4. But in 4, one spade is already counted here.
Yes, sir.
Ace में भी एक spade होता है ना? So that we counted here. So how many ace card left?
3.
3.
So how many total number of cards now?
16.
16, right. So there are 13 cards of spades, including one ace, right? And there are 3 more aces. So total number of favorable cases is 13 plus 3, that is 16. So what is the probability?
16 by
16 by
50.
16 by
Right,
52.
simplify. 4 by 13. Okay. So now next question. Black king. Now this is single event. Black in king. So how many kings are black?
2.
2. One is club and another is spade. So what is the probability?
2 by 52.
2 by
Right, 2
2.
by 52. That is 1 by 26. Now the next one is neither jack nor king. Okay, jack भी नहीं होना चाहिए, king भी नहीं होना चाहिए. तो पहले how many jacks are there? How many kings are there? How many jack cards are there?
4.
4.
Four.
How many king cards are there?
4.
4.
वो दोनों नहीं होना चाहिए. तो कितने सारे possible outcomes होंगे?
4. 52 minus 8.
Very good. 52 minus 8. So there are 4 jacks and 4 kings. So number of cards which are neither jacks nor kings is equals to 52 minus sum of these two, that is 8. So we'll get 44. So what is the probability of getting neither jack nor king? 44 by
44 by 52.
52. Simplify.
22 by 26.
11 by
11
13.
by
11 by 13.
Right, 11 by 13. And the next one is either king or queen. So how many kings are there?
4.
4.
Four.
How many queens are there?
4.
4.
So 4 plus 4, that is 8. So what is the probability of getting king or queen?
8 by 52.
8 by
Right,
52.
8 by 52. Simplify.
2 by 13.
2 by 13. Right, correct. So these are the assignment questions. Only 2 questions are there. That's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.